Hey friends, at our iCreate program, we are getting multiple questions every day regarding WordPress websites on our live chat, and we are answering almost all those questions to support WordPress websites. I got a very good question here: how to add quick cart options like mini cart, sidebar cart, or sticky cart on a WooCommerce, that is on WordPress website. So this is a very important feature that I believe every e-commerce website should have, and we are going to discuss in this video how we can implement a quick cart option at an e-commerce website that is using WooCommerce, of course. So this is an example website that we created. This is really a wonderful e-commerce website selling the baby products kids store, and it has all the features, however. But if I want to add a sidebar cart, mini cart on this website, how I can do this easily? Let me play a short video for you. I'll show you what we are exactly targeting in this video and through the plugin that we are going to use. In this video, you can see a short or mini cart, we can say, that is added to this WooCommerce website, and it is working very fine. And it is also bringing the sidebar cart, the product sliders, and the visitors of this website can easily check out the desired products, and it is definitely going to enhance the sale. And this is like this is a floating cart or the sticky cart, you can say. So all these options that we can target with a single plugin that I am going to show, and the plugin is WooCommerce Cart All in One. This is one-click checkout for WooCommerce website. This is really very important, and if you want to enhance the visitor experience, the user experience at your e-commerce website, this feature is really going to help you, and it is definitely going to enhance your sales. So this is the plugin that you can avail at codecanyon.net through the video description link. That is a affiliate link. Why through a video description link? Why you need to follow the link? Because you are going to get all the supports at iCreate program once you buy the plugin through the link. And definitely you can have support even you are not buying the plugin. But yes, it is going to be free for you, the support, not the plugin. So the plugin is available just for $30, and it is definitely worth taking this plugin. This is not a promotional video, I must tell you. I am just overviewing the plugin feature that is very important for WooCommerce website that is bringing most of the features. So this is this plugin can be used for displaying the sidebar cart pop-up, adds a cart icon to the menu, and checkout from the sidebar cart. So these are the important things that we can target, and this is one-click checkout WooCommerce, and it can boost your sales with WooCommerce Cart All-in-One plugin. Okay, so now this is a demo website, and I have already installed the plugin, the said plugin, and this is WooCommerce Cart All-in-One. This is premium version, of course, and you can also get the same. It has been developed by Villa Theme, and they are Power Elite author at Code Canyon. So they actually make wonderful WordPress stuffs like themes, plugin, and all. So, okay, I have already installed the plugin. Now I'm going to activate this plugin first of all, and for activation I got the control of setting of this plugin that I can do, and it is really very easy to do. So what we can do, we can simply enable the things that we need at our website, like sidebar cart can be enabled on the desktop, the mobile enable sidebar cart icon, visible empty cart icon, or the assigned page we can have, class ID we can add, and the checkout on sidebar cart can be enabled or disabled. So whatever is required, we can simply toggle and select what we want to keep enabled. Similarly, we have menu cart. So and we can enable the menu card using this toggle options, and the menu card text can be changed, or the menu card price model can be changed, like subtotal. The menu we can select here, like this is if we are selecting the main menu or the top menu, we can assign the card. So this is really going to be very easy for implementing purposes. And add to cart button, like add to cart button can. So you might be thinking your website is already having the add to cart, like this website is already having the add to cart. So the wonder and the beauty of this plugin, it directly gets aligned with your existing features at your website. Like this is add to cart, this is simple, and it is not having any animation effect. And we are going to enable a jump and sec animation here. Like just I'm showing you how really it gets integrated directly with your existing features. Like so if it was stable, and if we have enabled the feature, now it is second. So with the existing feature, it can be easily integrated. You can add a new feature, like the sidebar is added, and now we can scroll the products, new products as well, and the product is added here. So direct checkout can be done from here only. So no need to go on the checkout page. So direct checkout can be enabled or disabled upon your choices. So the customers and the visitors can order the product directly from the sidebar cart itself. And we just enable the menu cart. So this is also very good option. If this option is not available with the theme that you are using, you can also enable the menu cart. So this is also a very good option that you can, through which you can display the product that has been added on the cart, or even you can show the empty cart. So it is totally your choice. So all is working very fine, and the integration is seamless. So this is really very important, because if the integration is not working properly, it is going to mess your existing design, so that you never want. And it is important to implement the things in a proper manner, so that your visitors may utilize those things that you are willing to offer. It is not just a feature, it is going to enhance the visitor experience, the sale of your e-commerce portal. Okay, so like we have further options like recently viewed products. This is also a very good item, the very good element that we can use, and it generates a short code. So we can place this short code anywhere on the page, and it will start showing the recently viewed products. So like on Flipkart, Amazon, we used to see this feature. So recently viewed products is also a very good idea to upsell your products that visitor wish to buy, but that those products are not being sold on the real time. But recently viewed products can help the visitors to buy the things that they might be interested. So this is again a very good thing. So you can enable the recently viewed products as well, or import export setting and update options are also here. So this is a very good and useful plugin that you can directly install at your WooCommerce website, and the integration is seamless. So this is really very important thing. If it gets integrated seamless and works very fine, so this is really a very good, like you can add the sticky cart as well. So all the options I have already shown you. The most important feature that I really like, to enable the checkout directly in the sidebar cart itself. So the visitor are not going to land on the checkout page, they can directly buy the things here. And this is the checkout options that we can have directly. Okay, so this is, I think this plugin can help you in many ways in enhancing the visitor experience, the user experience, and it is going to enhance your sale of your WooCommerce website. And definitely you can buy this product, buy this plugin at codecanyon.net through the video description link, and you might be having further question regarding this. So we are available at our iCreate program for you, answering your questions. You can also ask any question freely without any doubt. And even if you are thinking that the question may not be very good, but yes, you are welcome to ask any question here. We are going to answer your question directly on this chat, or I will try to make a space specialized video if it is going to help all WordPress websites also. So you are welcome, and in the next video I'm coming with more for you. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.